Hi friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to introduce to you something very interesting. Ta-da! The Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube is named after the person who invented it, Professor Erno Rubik. It is a 3D combination puzzle invented in 1974. It is also called the Magic Cube. So let me show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Solving the Rubik's Cube helps to improve the concentration and it is a very good exercise for the brain. I'm done. I'm almost done. Done. Friends, I got interested in solving the Rubik's Cube. Then one day I visited my dad's house and saw my cousin solving the Rubik's Cube very professionally. Then I myself took YouTube lessons and learned how to solve it. In the beginning it was very tough, and when finally I learned to solve it, it was worth the efforts. Even you can do it if you are interested. In my next video, I'll show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube step by step. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. See you next time.